I know lots of Chinese Communist Party members, and yes, they're normal Chinese people. Yeah, as we've said, there's 90 million members of the Chinese Communist Party, so it's hardly surprising that a lot of Chinese people who come to Australia are Communist Party members or have very close links to them. I mean, I have close links to Chinese Communist Party members. Most Chinese people that I know are really supportive of the Chinese government. In general, absolutely. And especially if you've spent time in the countryside of China and you've spoken to older people who remember the last century and lived through it, people whose parents and grandparents lived through miserable conditions. Support for the Chinese Communist government has the Chinese government contributed to increased standards of living in China. I think that's beyond doubt. I think when there's a lot of Western discussion in Australian media about how, China has developed and what does that mean? I really know what it means. I've seen what it meant for my friends and the improvement in their standards of living. I think actually having a personal understanding of that does change your opinion on how China works.